Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy world. Well, like a fairy tale comes true. It might be your good time, pumpkin sweet cake, cookie friend.
How many days in Japan?
Only one day now. Last day.
Last day. Yeah. In Ubud, how many days?
2 days.
2 days.
Hello folks, good morning. Today we have a day trip in and around Ubud. We reached here yesterday night directly after our trip from Nusa Penida Island. First, we went to see the rice terraces with the famous Bali swing. Coming from Sikkim, our hometown is famously called Denjong, meaning the Valley of Rice. The rice terraces in this location was quite disappointing for us.
Might be your good time,
Good morning.
On the walk around, explore the rice field and activity, you can access by the way.
Yes, Sean?
The restaurant down here.
Still I remember and still your December, 'cause I found Mr. Wonderful. I think of happy day. Wake up, lazy birds. Where is your home? Take me there. It makes me feel free, alright. Lollipolly, don't say bye. Just turn it up, it makes me smile. I need
Okay, good. You can touch. Yes. Okay. Yeah, you can do like this. Yeah.
You want go to the swing?
Show you how we do roasting coffee.
Okay.
First time in Bali, if this the color turn red.
Okay.
Red is ready to harvest. The type of coffee what we grow here, this the Arabica.
Arabica.
Arabica because the taste more stronger. And then this the bean inside. Yeah, no smell like coffee yet. We must be roasting to get the flavor.
Okay.
And do you know luwak coffee?
Yeah, yeah.
Have you tried?
No, we haven't.
Yeah, luwak, they eat this coffee. Yeah, this one is the plant of vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yeah, they come the flower from that part. And then we need to pollinating.
Okay.
And then they come the fruit like stick.
Yeah.
We dry. We make with coffee. Also we make with chocolate. Yeah, this one is the mangosteen tree.
What tree?
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
This the fruit. This here you can see we have spicy. This here, this the poop from the luwak.
Luwak.
Yeah, when come out, this is still whole bean like this.
Okay.
This the poop before wash. This the poop after wash. We
Okay.
wash by hot water and then we dry under the sun.
Oh.
But the luwak coffee still have a shell. We need to remove the shell before we roasting.
Oh.
We can do one by one like this.
Okay.
But need a long process.
Oh.
And then this one is the regular coffee, Arabica. Same tree, but
Yeah.
have a different quality.
Because it's not from Luwak.
Yeah, the Luwak they eat this coffee, but only choose the
Good
best
ones.
bean.
Okay.
The taste of Luwak coffee strong, but have a smoother taste.
Yeah.
Because Luwak coffee have low caffeine, low acid. But just the little pound it until the skin take out from the bean,
Yeah.
not until the bean break.
Okay.
Somebody want to help me? You can stay here. Yeah, please do it now. You can stay here for 1 month. Sorry, can do it. Yeah, it's like in the kampung, yeah.
Okay.
Kind of get it. You are very good. You can stay here for 1 month. Oh yeah, forever.
Oh, kalau macam kan dia.
Nga may take.
Kenapa? Avocado coffee. What? You can try this all.
Okay.
This the Bali coffee. This one is the avocado coffee.
Yung gusto nito ice cream.
Cacao. Bali coffee, coconut coffee, vanilla coffee, ginseng coffee, Bali mocha, avocado coffee, mangosteen tea, rosella tea, and panda. Can try ya?
If you want try, you need to order because we have 50,000
Hi. Om Swastiastu.